Candieds. I'm your host Dave. Today we're going to be making some candied bacon. I got here 2 1-pound containers of thick cut bacon. It was on sale up in my grocery store, so I figured I would grab it. Go ahead and open these bags up. Open up one at a time, unless you have a big enough grill to take out 2 of them. That, get out there like that. Now, today I have my grill set at full smoke, 165 to 175. We're going to lay the bacon out in long strips, like this.
A few moments later.
Alright, it's good enough. Alright, now what we're going to do is here, I got some dark maple syrup, organic. Now what you want to do is you just want to lightly put a little bit on there each one. Not much. And then when you get it on there, run it back and forth. Spread it out there real good. You don't need a whole lot on there, just a little bit. Just like that. You do this side, we'll flip them over and we'll do the other side. Now today I'm using my competition blend hardwood pellets. They have hickory and apple. Apple goes great with pork. Any kind of apple wood goes great with pork. As I said, get one side done, and then we'll flip them over, and we'll do the other side. Some good news here. I just became an affiliate program with Pitbull Smokers and with ThermoPro. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to both those sites. You can go check them out for me. It helps me. And I also have a Patreon account. You can go there. You can join my Patreons. Every month I have a giveaway going on for the biggest donator. Now these are going to sit in the smoke for about an hour, and then we're going to flip them and we're going to put them on again for another hour. That looks good. Candied bacon. All I do is just use some maple syrup, and they look, wow, they just look so good. Look at the color. Look at the color from the maple syrup. That dark, rich, auburn color. Oh, well, you know, I can't wait. I gotta try one of these. But look at how tender they are. I mean, they just fall right apart. They're not real crunchy. They're not real watery. They are just phenomenally perfect. Really simple how to make candied bacon with maple syrup. Smoker set 200 degrees, 1 hour, 20 minutes, and that's how they'll come out. And that was hot. But hey, as always, God bless. Thanks for watching. And here's that candied bacon. Look at that candied bacon. Oh, man, that is so good.